Hello there, my name is Gordon and I am a service technician. I install fiber optic internet to your house. And I'd like to ask all you homeowners a favor. And I'm asking you this from all service technicians that might come in your house, whether it be a plumber, an electrician, a guy working on your furnace, your air conditioner, a roofer looking at your roof, whatever, a carpet guy, whatever. I'm going to ask in all of our names that you guys start putting your dogs in a bedroom and close the door. In the dog's eyes, and I mean all dogs, whether it be the friendliest dog in the world, all dogs see us as a stranger in your house. For us as fiber installers, or any technician really, will be working in your house while you guys are off in another room doing whatever, and your dog's, we come in, we're doing a thing, and 10 minutes later, dog starts just walking around, comes around a corner and sees us there and freaks out. Like I said, today, for example, I was attacked. Now, I wouldn't say attacked. I was nipped at by a pretty good sized dog. I'm saying I was attacked because he didn't actually get a hold of me. But the homeowner, he was like, the dog's just jumping on you. Oh, did he jump on you? I'm sorry. Did he jump on you? No, he didn't jump. He jumped, but he wasn't just jumping to play. He was coming at me with teeth. That happened twice, 2 occasions today. And then the kid that I work with was down working on the fiber ONT box and let down low, like on his knees. The dog came around the corner and saw him there, and it came out at his face, and he was quick enough to get his arm up and block the dog. But we just ask. Like I said, the dog doesn't know any better. It's just doing what it's supposed to do. It's guarding your house. But we ask that you put that dog in a bedroom, close the door until we leave. It'd be far better off for all of us if we could just do that. Appreciate you guys watching this, and if you could pass it around, that'd be great. I just don't want to see anything bad happen. I couldn't imagine today if I had been like an 8-year-old kid visiting a buddy or something, and that dog did that. I'd be scared to death for life. That dog came at me pretty good. Twice. Anyway, that's all I got to say, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.